Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling an issue that many of you might face: a broken LCD screen. Specifically, we're going to talk about replacing the LCD on the Oppo A57, one of the most popular budget smartphones. Whether you've cracked your screen or damaged the display, stick around for cost estimates, repair options, and a quick breakdown of the process. The Oppo A57, released in 2022, features a 6.56-inch IPS LCD with a 720 by 161 pixel resolution. It's not the highest-end display, but it delivers great colors and clarity for its price. And fortunately, if you drop or damage it, the screen might crack, become unresponsive, or display strange lines and spots. In most cases, this means the LCD underneath the glass is broken, and you'll need to replace the whole screen. Now, let's talk about costs. Replacing an Oppo A57 LCD typically costs between $1,000 and $1,500 at a professional repair shop, but prices can vary depending on a few things: where you are, the quality of the replacement parts, and whether you choose a trusted repair shop or a cheaper option. While you might find offers under $1,000, be cautious: cheaper isn't always better, and low-quality parts can cause more problems down the road. If you're thinking of fixing the screen yourself, let's break down the pros and cons. DIY kits for the Oppo A57 are available online, and they usually cost less than taking it to a repair shop. If you're comfortable with electronics and have steady hands, this might be an option for you. However, be warned: replacing an LCD is tricky. You'll need to carefully remove the back cover, battery, and other components before even getting to the LCD. One wrong move, and you could damage internal parts like the motherboard or connectors. While DIY saves you money upfront, it could cost you more if the repair goes wrong. On the flip side, professional repair shops have the tools and experience to handle this job efficiently. Plus, many shops offer warranties on their repairs, giving you peace of mind. If you don't have experience with smartphone repairs, we recommend leaving this one to the pros. In conclusion, replacing the broken LCD on your Oppo A57 is a necessary fix that can restore your phone's functionality. Whether you decide to try a DIY repair or take it to a professional, make sure you choose quality parts and services. If you go with a shop, check their reputation and ask about warranties. And if you do it yourself, be extra careful with those internal components. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and repairs. Until next time, this is CP Tech Guru. Take care of your devices and stay tuned for more helpful content.